Oh mon l'autre.
Jamais.
Ah, Emilie. Donc, na kosote yo appareil, na mona appareil mo ya suka na appareil. Sina ko kango pe photo sina le. Yo iba te no mona ko tronga na filmer. Mona filmer ningi a filmer ne suye mo.
Qui n'a pas fait? Oui, on bébé côté ça.
Aujourd'hui, nous pétons.
Quand on est dans mon whisky,
c'est ça pour la duty free, hein? Majorité ça l'État. Tout chargé. Peut-être les solos. Peut-être les solos. Le bal les solos. Ce que tu as. Ouais.
La beach house. Ah, pas de suite.
Ah, n'est pas aussi. Bah. Ah bon, ça va. Ouais. Bien sûr. On va ça maintenant, c'est va civiliser.
La terrasse bar. Parce que là, on a
Ouais.
la bête. C'est là.
Ouais. Ah, so quoi, gars, quel est le coup, hein? Bye bye. Ah, c'est ça. Hôtel na Sénégal. Hôtel na Sénégal. C'est un hôtel. Au côté. Il y a un cigare. C'est le.
C'est un peu plus pour la chambre aux balcon.
Ouais.
Donc, ça extra 300 livres.
600.
600.
300. C'est 600. Bien sûr. Ouais. Mato. Bela. Ouais. Yo moni bamboka te. Yo pour vivre. Mato.
Papa não panga, não morre de novo na maiona.
Dimbe.
Ai, o boca da na pena fio.
Como é?
Na fini, et ça les rouges. OK. Papa, tu zawa?
Ah oui, là na
OK. Tu as un niveau ni? OK.
Ah, on est dans le pays là.
C'est quoi tu as OK what?
Ok, sono che la Madeira, donc Madeira est dans la Portugal, la Madeira.
Madeira. Tu les gars mboka ni avant to koma wa?
Ouais, tu as me révélé.
Ogo sitango?
Le gars qui sont à Isle of Wight. Tu es en France, tu es en Espagne, Portugal. Si vous pouvez faire en Portugal, mais ça se côté loin assez côté entre Maroc et Mauritanie. Donc, il nous a la gauche, nous on va dire, ça Portugal.
Ah, merci. OK. Moi, je suis au pays de ce qui était. tu suis na wana bongo comme ça tu continuer après.
Pas de problème.
Oloba et pas tout ce merci. OK.
Donc, c'est ça quoi. Là, le peuple mongolais, là, c'est le peuple épisode. Sur le pays, donc, on va dans ces amis. Donc, ça va faire.
Ouais, faut que ba.
Tikiyo, kidiba, okoiba, tikiyo, kidiba.
Faut que ba, talagaga. Yo yo, za mutu a train. Wa, oza mwana suka kasi. Wa mutu a train.
Ah, ça va faire.
Faut battre la talagaga.
Ah, non.
Mulonga ba te belé. Bazo zelo, bazo talelao. Faut battre la nzoto.
Ah, non. On dit que moi, mystique et bêta. Moi, mais ouais, des bonnies, hein.
Et bonnies. Les choses qui pena very windy. Les pena mbula mingi. Ana moni les zokomo ke ne pena mbula windy pe bano zonga susu.
Na biso mbula bani mbula Afrique.
Ok. Donc après, on n'est pas à Wabina, on a au lia ou bien il.
Non, non, non.
Programme les non est battu après-midi. Ok. Faut que bah faire papa. Docteur a dit qu'il faut au qui t'a pas moi bah poids. So ko lié les kebele ma trop.
Non, on liera ça ça.
Te pour na monnaie on liera ba fouet, à fruit. Na moto sont à 4 heures.
Watch on the bridge as the time is 12 o'clock now.
If you may.
Not tonight, we're going to have some to eat and doesn't matter.
Tout raté de.
Kende.
Thank you.
Sorry.
All right.
You are the star of the night. Maman, come here.
Il y a île en Portugal. On a bossé avec mon nom les années. Madeira. Ok. Je go to some mal banda. Ok, tá lá só nem. Bom, mas ali. Já tô com essa madeira. Já muito já madeira.
Você
Tá. A pessoa mais corrada, cara. A pessoa se hoje eu vou dar muito bom
Por que avó?
Don't worry, I'll pick it up tomorrow morning, okay?
Nini, Totola. Non, voilà dans le bon sous.
Toto les arbres. Toto les arbres. Toto les arbres. Toto les arbres.
Amérique centrale. Ok.
On y a pareil.
Hein?
On y a un.
Obini. Tout le monde pour attendre que nous avons la musique.
Come. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, you can go. You can go. I can come.
Press wait.
I'm doing it. Yeah. See you.
Thank you very much.
I could see
It
you.
would be lovely if you were.
We'll add some music then. Does that mean it's the end?
What
Am
did
I
you
still
say?
doing it? To add some music?
You want to? It's better you can come on this side so that you can be with Albert. Tomorrow will be a good way.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mama. You are inside Albert and Diana's cabin.
Yeah.
In the cruise.
Cabin.
Cabin. They call it cabin, yeah? It's not the room, it's cabin.
Cabin. Okay.
Yeah, and then it'd be better that go closer to Albert so that I can see both of you.
Come here.
Yes. This is our friend Albert.
Hello.
Oh, wonderful. And we are very happy. We are inside his cabin. And then we're just here to chat. Yes, and then I don't know if Albert has got something to say to the children, to our kids.
To your children.
Yes.
I'm sure I will meet you one day when you send the picture across.
Thank you.
I know who you are.
Thank you very much.
Look forward to that.
Thank you very much.
Love you.
Okay, bye.
So, you're going to be on this square, you're going to be on that square, perfect. And with your feet, your outside feet are going to come towards me.
C'est mieux sur les agina moya. Osa bien. Le ban abiso le Cameroun le ban abiso.
Ah bien. Alors que c'est du top. Le dos, ça va nous servir à any morning. Pour le chômeur qui a 25 ans. Bah, moi c'est à voyager. Pour moi naé, salarié. À any morning. Agora vai vir na mãe, captei na toma, ela vai se chamar o momento de viver, de novo vai vir na mãe. Assim, aí, se ele viu tudo a calma, então, minha mãe será me falando, para nos falar um pouco, donc, je n'ai pas fait le débat. À la fin, elle va papier, par juillet, par monier, par BBC, et puis moi, à Zalia, para nyonso tozalaki antwana tozalaki mete makasi mpona nini mwana mokolo kozwa bikoma ya modele ya ndenge wana ale kobwakama na kati ya océan mai ya monene na mato ya sekesali kaka ngana kobabi ya mwana biso ezalaki journal leloyanga merci
After just 1 minute.
You want to captain the boat? Yeah, okay. Sure.
After just 1 minute, you can stop
Yeah,
it and
okay.
you can take picture.
Yeah. First, which one I have to take? Recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Just about 1 minute, that's it. Huh?
Yeah, okay.
No.
Yeah,
No. Just to enter the picture. Oh, he's allowed. Okay. Go there, I can take you as well, please. You and Mama.
Yeah, okay.
Ah, very good. This is Movin, our big man here. Can you say a word to my children? Movin, can you say something to my children?
Thank you.
Movin, can you say something to my children? Can you say something? Hello. That's good.
Good night, Dad and Mom. They're very good.
That's very good.
Your dad's smile is very good.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Movin. Thank you. Oh, mon non, mais n'habite sur les éclairages, je vais aux apôts, moi, moi, on a bien été. Bon, peut-être que c'est le commun.
Ah, tu commis la toto là. Tu sais qui 5 jours à maille. Et en gros, tu peux faire la toto là. L'autre, tu peux faire la toto là. Tous, on a eu la
Peut-être sur le chemin, monsieur. Tu vas aller quand même.
Oh.
Maman, where are you now? Zo lo bata. Na lo bandeni ngaba mona ngati na lo bandeni.
Kavone.
Ya on follow ba.
Tu solo tu na question la réponse. Yo tu na linga la réponse. Bongo moto ezali awo. Chasse sima. Donc sur la telamba ilamba nyoso ko mato. Oka moto zana chasse rasia eza fait. Oh ezali kaka il.
Ebangle. Na Nakata?
Yeah.
Come.
Question while I'm here with you? It's right off the border going up back of Guana, but it's not right
Yeah. Ça, une explication, hein?
You got a little hazy today?
Get him, Joe. Sorry.
We come up on the top right here, and we turn back a little.
Yes, I will.
So we're looking back now to Guana Island. You see Guana Island somewhere in the middle here?
Yeah.
Right. Where are the others? Come on, Daddy, come and check it out.
You besoin de moi.
This island here is Guana Island. Check the map. Guana Island right here. The one between is Kamano.
So you say we are here, and where's Guana?
We came up back here, looking over here.
Guana is
Guana.
Guana, this one.
Yes. 1, 2.
Guana Island.
Guana Island, yeah.
And Great Kamano.
Guana Island is
Guana is right here.
Yeah.
Then you have Great Kamano.
Yeah.
Then behind, you see this last of the mainland here. That we are, right here. So behind you got Bortingada, the big one.
Okay.
The big one is Bortingada back up there.
It's the biggest island, huh?
No, this is the biggest island.
The mainland is the big one.
Beautiful.
Be careful. Come this way.
Yeah, Daddy.
Good man. I see you now for 6 months.
Don't talk all. Yeah. Then you have you heard about the South Francis Drake Channel? You see it anywhere around there?
Yeah.
That's where the Buccaneers and Pirates, Jake Channel.
Okay.
That's where the Buccaneers and Pirates used to fight before we saw Dream to come by.
Yeah.
It was something worthwhile fighting for, right?
Okay.
So you know you belong to England, right? You are from England?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're still under England. Then we have, you Richard Branson.
Richard Branson, yeah.
You're spying in the camera, baby.
Huh?
Taking an ugly man picture.
No, it's fine. No, it doesn't say you
You have
shouldn't.
he owns Mosquito Island and
Mosquito Island.
yeah, and the next one.
Quickly pair on.
No. Mosquito, Nick Island. Nick Island.
No, so
You
no.
own two of them, Nick Island
two
and
more.
Mosquito Island.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Didn't they have a fire there recently?
Where, Mosquito Island?
No, on Necker, when it burnt down, his place.
Yeah.
Nick Island.
Necker Island.
And a fire.
Oh yeah.
Is it far?
You have a
Necker
fire.
Island.
Yeah, it's last one up.
Sorry.
You have Nick Island. You
Yeah.
look all of them right here. Nick Island, Mosquito Island, Tippecanoe Island. You come right down here. You have your own magazine, right? Then you can look it up properly. If you don't have it, just have to get you one.
Did you, this airport here,
Oh, Beef Island.
Yeah.
Right inside here.
is
It's a big
That
airport.
island there?
Is it an international airport or is it
No, it's small, but
Island airport?
yeah.
Is it?
What happened? It's right inside there, but the hill is hiding it.
You have planes from Europe landing here?
No, they land to the bigger one like Puerto Rico or St. Thomas, then you catch the ferry and come over. Yeah, that's right.
Puerto Rico. That's America. Isn't it?
Yeah, that's right. And St. Thomas.
That's America.
So we are on the Ridge Road. And there's a little village here, we call it just like somewhere in England, Manchester.
Manchester. You have a Manchester
It
village.
doesn't rain. It doesn't rain.
Here? Not much.
Oh, ben là, moins cher.
Oh, je vois ça, bah. Faut que je vienne, on va cher. Oh, ouais, ça.
We're going to see town a couple of times before it gets out of sight.
Are we going to go to Manchester as well?
Right now, we're going to pass Manchester in a while.
Okay.
So we get back and go that way, right on.
Okay,
Right
wonderful.
on, right on.
Okay, thank you.
The football. You know, look,
Maman, così che siamo stati. Guarda.
Are you finished?
One more.
One is a gun and a hill.
Back your back. You got it?
Banda one, eh?
Put it past 10.
Ndila mayela.
Manchester.
How is it?
Culture Manchester.
Tell me when you finish.
Finish.